So from the given options, okay, we have to say which option is correct in terms of factors of the given sum. All right. So let's factorize. Remember, there is a plus sign over here. Usually student makes mistake by taking it as a division. All right. So 25x squared minus 1 can be written as 5x square whole, okay, like that, plus 1 plus 5x, 1 plus 5x. There is a square, so there will be double. Correct? This reminds you of a squared minus b squared formula, which means let's write 5x minus 1 and 5x plus 1. Here we already have 1 plus 5x or 5x plus 1. It's 1, okay, of the same. So I have changed the order. So I could have done for this also, but we'll take this as common. 5x plus 1 as common, and inside we are left with this 5x minus 1, and here we have 1 plus 5x, curly bracket closed. Let's simplify this. 5x plus 1, here we have 5x minus 1 plus 1 plus 5x. Got it? So 1 gets cancelled. We have 10x inside and 5x plus 1. Okay, so now let's see what the option is. My correct option is, answered is option D, 10x. Correct? So this is the answer, children. So the two factors that we got here have been this and 10x. So this is the correct option, which is option D. All right. So please note it. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.